So we got, I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but there's some things going on. We got one of the tires on there. We're going to get a spacer for it. We're going to get a spacer for that one. We got the brakes in. We got them on. Got the calipers and all that on. Got the bolt in them, everything. The tires just need to go on. We need a spacer because right now, I don't know if I'm going to point this out now. I don't know if I really said this, but we're definitely going to go with the Tolly Terminator, I think. We're definitely going to go with the Tolly Terminator. It's our best option. I'll explain that in a whole nother video. Probably going to go up after this one or before or whenever. But let me explain why we need the wheel spacer and whatnot. So I'll explain that right now. So the spacer is going to space out. You see there's a bit of a stud here. And then there's some threads right here. All this needs to come out because the lug nut needs to go right up flush with this. And it's not going to do that if there's no thread. So we're going to space the wheel out just enough to where the thread is. So the lug nut will be flush with this and tight. And it'll stay on there and it won't wobble like crazy. But yeah, we got all that done. We still got to get front tires. It's just a whole other deal. Got to set some money aside for that. I'm still here. I'm not done with YouTube. I'm just really haven't gotten a whole lot done on the truck, and I just haven't got a whole lot done on it. We really haven't gotten a whole lot done on it. And there's nothing to do and whatnot, and some other little things. So short little video going up. I'll explain the whole Tolly Terminator deal in another video. Probably gonna record that video right after this video, and I edit at the same time, get them up same time. But I'll go into detail on that. I want it to be its own video so it can just be sorted out in one video and whatnot. So if you guys did enjoy, smash the like button, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Just click that little bell when you hit subscribe or whatever. Be notified every time I go live. It'll upload all that cool stuff. And I will see you guys in the next one. As always, stay fresh.